What's up, YouTube? Skunk72, Southern California. I don't know, it's like probably 90 degrees today. Yes, our summer is here for sure, which sucks because I don't like summer, but whatever, it is what it is. For today, I'm really basically just doing a sound check because I'm trying to get used to the Mic3 DJI mics and learn how to use a 32-bit float, and it does require some audio editing. For today, I got the dual mic setup going on, so I've got the one mic in my helmet, which I'm going to edit the shit out of to try and remove as much outside noise as possible. Then I got another mic up here in the Thrashin bag to pick up engine sound, and it's kind of protected from the wind, so hopefully that'll sound good. What I'm planning to use, if it works out right, is the 32-bit float audio from each internal. It's the internal storage on the mics. I also have it going to the camera directly by Bluetooth, but hopefully I'll be able to use the 32-bit float, and that way I can have both right and left channel for both mics. Then I can adjust the engine sound as needed to make it easier to hear my voice and not have it be overwhelming. I know, a bunch of shit that nobody really cares about. Let me give a little shout out to a newer channel. I believe it's Beaster. As usual, I'll put it on the screen so you guys will know, because I probably got, what the fuck are you doing? Dude, what the fuck? Dude, are you... Good fucking lord. Anyway, I always get people's screen names wrong, so I'll post it up here. I believe it's Mr. Beaster. Go give him a look, and not that, you know, the 12 of you that watch my videos are gonna make a big deal for him, but give it a look. He's pretty cool. He's up in Canada riding a 2026 Street Bob that is fairly new, and it's kind of fun watching him because he is still so excited about riding it, and he's doing all his mods right now. Dude rides and posts videos like daily, sometimes more than one a day, so you'll get a lot of content to watch. Go check him out. Tell him Skunk sent you. Now for a little serious talk, shit's been getting a little wild in my city. A couple nights ago, there was a biker shot while riding over on the other side of town. Can't really tell from the bike, but I mean, I know there's some couple clubs that have chapters in Santa Clarita, and I'm not gonna name who they are because that'd be disrespectful, and I just don't want to get into it. But we do have a couple clubs that are not happy with each other, and I don't know if it had something to do with that. And I've heard so many stories about how it was a car trying to run the biker off the road, then all of a sudden opened fire. I know they transport somebody with a gunshot wound, and it's details after that are kind of weird, because like on the Citizen app it said CPR was being done, which if you get shot and they're doing CPR, you ain't coming back. Then I hear other things about he was shot in the back, transported to the hospital, released same night. I've seen news reports where they're saying that his condition is unknown. And I heard something from a friend about how he was an off-duty LA police officer, which I'm not sure where he got that info from because I have not seen it anywhere. But anyway, I hope my brother on two wheels is okay, and hopefully it's not going to be like, you know, not wanting to ride or anything, because that would suck if they took that away from him. Anyway, that's about all I got to say at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and do a precautionary goodbye. I'm going over to my mom's house to do some work, and it may be dark by the time I get out of there, and I got my camera all set up for highlights. with an ND filter and all that good stuff, so I didn't bring a regular lens. So this is going to be it. Reverse side down, shiny side up, and I'll talk to you later.